What's up YouTube? This is Victor on the Let Me Explain show, and I'm just going to do a very quick video on how you can buy fractional shares online, whether it be cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, or a big company like Apple or Tesla. So you might not have 500 bucks to invest in Tesla, for example, but what you can do is buy fractional shares, and this is what I'm going to show you now. So the app you use is called Cash App. Most of you have probably heard of this, but it does have a trading function in it, and I'll just scroll through that in the end. But if you want to get Cash App, once you sign up, you will get $5, and I'll get $5, so we both win. But the beauty of it is you can then go on to buy a fractional share of Tesla. Say you can deposit 50 bucks to buy the share, and then you just buy $50 worth of shares, which costs 500 per share. So you get a percentage of that share. And why I like that is because most people don't have $1,000 to invest in Amazon, for example, but maybe you want to invest in that. You only have 100 bucks. Well, with Cash App, you can invest in big companies with a small amount of cash up front. So I'll leave the link below. The app, once again, is called Cash App, and it's free to download. You link it to your bank account, and you're good to go. Okay, so what we have here is my investment, and I've just bought $50 worth of PG&E, as you can see on the screen right now. And so the $4 is how much I've made from PG&E so far, and I'll keep putting money into it, but also watching how the stock is performing because I don't want to lose my money. But that's how I bought $50 worth of shares of PG&E. And if you want to buy Tesla, for example, it would just be a percentage of that company's share price. And right now, Tesla is up at about $500. So if you have 50 bucks, you get about 10% of that one share, and you can then go on to invest and reinvest it, and build your portfolio. I mentioned about Cash App is that it does have this simple tracking function within it, so you can see how a share performed over time. Of course, this doesn't give you as much information as you get if you have a more robust tracking system software to track your shares. But at a glance, it will give you an idea of how a share is performing. Of course, I would recommend that you do your due diligence and check out other sources of information just to verify how the shares are doing before you invest. And the last thing I'll say is I did say the last thing, but you do get a chance to get a Visa card, like I flash on the screen right now. Here we go. And this is basically a cash card that you can carry around to spend your money that will be in Cash App. And you can customize it. Of course, those are the small details to it. But do check out Cash App. It is an interesting app to use, and I recommend it if you're looking into trading something like Bitcoin, which is selling for $8,000, but you might just have 500 bucks to invest. So Cash App would be the way to go. All right, then, this has been Victor on the Let Me Explain show. Actually, let me just show my face so that you can see me. All right, this is Victor on the Let Me Explain show.